This is the greenest city in England, packed full of culture and heritage too. With a restless sense of adventure, but still a down-to-earth friendliness. We are a city made by inventive people, doing things to push boundaries, impact the world. If you're thinking big, there's room to grow. With a little exploration, you'll always find more than you expected. And in the outdoor city, there's always space for the important things in life.
I got it. The world out there is a wonderful place.
Is everybody talking about me?
So whether you're looking for a weekend breath of fresh air or looking to put down roots, come and make yourself at home in Sheffield.